Linking your bank account to Buildium is essential for managing your property management finances efficiently. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Log into your Buildium account. Access your Buildium account by entering your username and password on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to link a bank account. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once logged in, go to the settings menu. From there, select banking to find the option for linking your bank account. Step 3. Choose link bank account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the account is successfully linked. Now your bank account is linked to Buildium, allowing for streamlined financial management. If you encounter any issues, refer to Buildium support resources for assistance.